Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtoon app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing files. This is a very simple method, and to do so first of all open your laptop and log into your account. Now go to your taskbar and click on the Windows icon and search for settings and open it. Now inside settings go to the system tab. Now scroll down till you see recovery, click on recovery. Now you will see a lot of options. Now look for recovery options and click on reset this PC. Once you click on reset PC, choose the option called keep my files. So what this will do is it will remove all the apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Now once you click on this, it will also show you the option saying how would you like to reinstall Windows. If you click on cloud download, it will go to the Microsoft server, and if you click on local reinstall, it will reinstall Windows from this device only. You can choose any of it, and then you can follow the instructions on the screen to continue the reset, and that's it. Your PC will reset without deleting your important files. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.